Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today we have come up with a very interesting topic, that is video data collection for machine learning, which is very best for the year 2021. Here the source of the best free of cost video data collection for the machine learning that is important for you to know. Important about video data collection for machine learning that you should know. Large amount of correctly labeled video data may be used to train machine learning models because video data has both visual and audible components. It can be used to train a variety of machine learning models of computer vision, natural language processing, and other applications. GTS offers services such as video collecting, categorization, and annotation. Moving objects are accounted for every frame of your film thanks to our strain quality assurance system. This is comprises all sort of lidar 3D points cloud. What method do you use to get data sets for machine learning? Using our robust annotation platform, our network of annotation specialized will deliver video classification and annotation service such as object localization, object recognition, video tracking, and more. To deliver clean set data to train ML application and assist computer vision model, our throughout quality assurance guarantee that moving object continue to be accounted for in all video frames in a machine learning. What is the best way to make a video data collection in machine learning? You cannot develop the technology of the future without quality video data sets. Many technologies of today to depend on video data collection for proper functioning. They are the several example how video data may used and how important it is. Any piece of technology that has to detect moving picture must be built with unique and specific data sets, which are video data collection in machine learning. Obtaining video dataset is difficult because of the server criteria for such dataset. You need high quality video data that is diverse, available in large amount, and capable of building algorithms that allow these technologies work smoothly. When it comes to video data sets and video data collection gathering, we at GTS have a skill, knowledge, resources, and capacity to provide you with whatever you want. Our movies are the greatest quality and they are personalized to your individual needs and concern. Services for video data collection in machine learning. Classified localization and segmented video data collection can help you improve your machine learning models. Machine learning and computer vision algorithm can benefit greatly from the human annotated video data set. Data acquisition through video, bounding boxes in 2D, cuboids or 3D bounding boxes, segmentation by semantics, annotation of lidar 3D point, annotation of landmark and significant point, annotation of polygons, annotation using lines and polylines, classification frames, transcriptions of video, and many more you will get to know about. For more detail, you can visit to our company website, that is www.24into7offshoring.com. Here you get the whole detail, which will be you get it in detail, so you can read it out and know more about these things. So the not the last but the least is analyzing video data. So where can we obtain unprocessed video data collection to use in machine learning? Open Research Dataset COVID-19, the researcher dataset of over 45,000 scientific publications regarding COVID-19 and the coronavirus family of viruses, was prepared by the Allen Institute for AI in collaboration with major research organization. Open images on Google. Over 9 million photos were presented by the Google AI, spanning 6,000 categories and enough to train a deep neural network from the scratch. Vayamo Open Dataset. This is the collection of publicly available data from the Vayamo. It has one of the most comprehensive and diverse database on on-demand driving too far. You only need a Gmail account to get access to the dataset in machine learning. For more detail, you can visit to our company website, that is again with the same name, 24 into 7 offshoring.com. I hope guys you like this video. If it is so, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe our channel, so you will get the notification every time whenever we will upload the video. So thanks for the watching. Thank you so much.